Alright, so I've sent you a couple emails in the past couple of days, and I've talked about a system that we've used to add $3 million to one of our specific products to the back end. And I know a lot of us receive emails all the time from marketers, stating they made so much money online and yada yada yada. What I really want to do is actually show you proof and show you the system that we built from scratch that does something that nothing else on the planet does. And anyone that uses ClickBank, anyone that uses JVZoo, or any other shopping cart for that matter, if you sell a digital product, if you sell a physical product, this is something that you can plug into your existing business and immediately start making more money. And it pays for itself extremely fast. I mean, in our case, within minutes, we paid for our membership. So first of all, let me log into one of our accounts and let me just show you some of our stats just so you can see that what I was telling you about in a previous email was in fact true. So here we are inside one of our shopping cart accounts. This is UltraCart, and you can see that in the past 12 months for the specific product we've done over $13 million. 3 million of this is pretty safe to say it's due strictly to using Review Trust. And if you don't know what Review Trust is, basically it's a system that automates the process of collecting and displaying user testimonials on your website. And I've been marketing online since 2002, and it's always been extremely difficult to get testimonials from customers. Not because customers aren't willing to provide solid testimonials for you, but just the fact that it's difficult to reach out to each customer. Basically, what you have to do is you have to log into your autoresponder, write up a broadcast email, send an email out to your list, ask them to reply to your message. Some will reply, some won't. The ones that do reply typically are going to send a sentence testimonial or something that's just not very useful. The ones that do give you useful testimonials, you have to copy and paste those into like a Word document or something, and then contact a web developer, a web designer to put it on your site and design it to look all nice and pretty. If you need a picture, you have to email them back and ask for a picture and yada yada yada. The process takes forever. No one ever actually does that. The few that do do that, they get some testimonials put on their site, and within weeks they become extremely stale old testimonials. The best kind are the fresh testimonials. So if you ever go to Amazon.com, which I'm sure you do, and you've bought something on there, we always scroll to the bottom and we always look at user reviews. And for me personally, I always look at the date of the review. So if a review was posted today and it was a 5-star review and they said the book or whatever I'm buying on Amazon was amazing, chances are I'm going to buy that book versus another book that has very few reviews and so on and so forth. So testimonials are extremely, extremely powerful, and no one in the internet marketing niche, no one in the digital marketing world uses testimonials effectively. This is something that we've done manually ourselves with a different system that I had created myself in the past, I want to say 4 or 5 years ago. And we use this on one of the products that eventually became the #1 selling weight loss product, the #1 selling health and fitness product in all of ClickBank, and it held that spot for 2 to 3 years, largely due to the fact that we were displaying these testimonials on our website, and they were all fresh testimonials using this system that basically we built Review Trust from. So let me show you how Review Trust works, and I think by the end of the video you're going to see like how powerful this system actually is. So bear with me for just a second. I'm going to try to talk fast. So this is what happens when you log into Review Trust. This is what the screen looks like. Currently I have 2 campaigns running in this specific account. One is for a ClickBank product called Cellulite Factor Solution. One is for a supplement that we sell from one of our websites. So this one's ran through UltraCart. This one's ran through ClickBank. You can also run, like I said before, products through JVZoo. If you don't have a ClickBank, JVZoo, or UltraCart account, and you have a different shopping cart, Review Trust is still brand new. So just submit a support ticket to us, and we'll we'll add your shopping cart to our system. We'll custom program it for you. Our goal is to have basically every shopping cart integrated. And if you don't want to email us, we still have the option that you can simply import a list of customers directly into our system. So if you just have like a spreadsheet of customers, you can just import those customers directly into our system. You don't even have to automatically connect to your shopping cart. Alright, so let me show you how it works. So basically you'll create a campaign. I'm going to open up this one right here. We create a campaign. When you create a campaign, these are the fields that you'll input. So you give the campaign a name, you give it a description, basically just for you. You'll add the item numbers. So if you're in ClickBank, for example, item numbers start with like item number 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, based on which products you add to your ClickBank account. So if you only want to collect testimonials for specific products in a specific ClickBank account, this is where you put the item numbers right in this box. Then you'll connect to a vendor. So right now we have these 3, and then you can also import orders. The testimonials that you collect from your customers, you can ask the customer to add no pictures with their testimonial, or 1 picture, or before and after, which is 2 pictures. So this is great for like weight loss type products where you want to collect before and after pictures from your users. And when you select these, by the way, these are optional. So even if you had a testimonial with 2 pictures selected, it's optional for the user to actually upload a picture. So they can still submit a testimonial to you and not submit a picture, which is great for those people that aren't willing to submit a picture. Product image, you can upload the your product image, and I'll show you why this is important in just a second. Review type, you can collect standard reviews. So this is just basically you ask the customer to leave you a review just for being nice. Incentivize is basically you give them a free gift for the time they spent to leave you a review. And I would recommend using incentivized, just because you'll tend to get more reviews that way, more action takers, if you're going to give them, let's say, a free ebook if they leave you a review. So if you selected incentivize, this is where you can name your free bonus. I named my free bonus Perfect Snack Checklist. You can actually upload your bonus to Review Trust. So in this example, I took the PDF file, which is our bonus, and I uploaded it directly to Review Trust. So on the download page, after the customer leaves a review, they'll be sent to a download page, which I'll show you in just a second. They'll download the file directly from Review Trust. So you don't even really have to upload the file to your own website or anything. You don't have to know HTML, you don't have to know any coding or anything. You just upload the gift to Review Trust and we take care of the rest. Gift image, this is used on the actual page that the customer leaves the review. It's just basically an image that you can use to increase perceived value of the bonus gift that you're giving your customer. And then, like I said, if you don't want to upload the gift to Review Trust, you can still upload it to your own website and just have a download link directly on your website. And your free bonus can be really anything. It could be a PDF file, it could be a video series, it could be a coupon code, whatever. Email type, so basically what happens is as a customer makes a purchase of your product, they're imported directly into Review Trust. And then after 21 days, they receive the first email from Review Trust, basically asking for a testimonial, asking for a review. And you can set this range however long you want. Email 2 then is sent 3 days after the first email, and then email 3 is 3 days after the second email. These emails are only sent if they didn't respond on the first email that was sent. And you can send a plain text email or an HTML email. HTML obviously looks prettier. Plain text is just plain text, but I recommend plain text because that's going to get into the inbox of your users, especially in Gmail. If it's HTML, it's typically going to go into the promotions tab, which you don't want. And this is just kind of what an email looks like. If you click edit email, you can actually edit the email. Much of the actual email itself you can edit and customize however you want. But I'd recommend just leaving what's in here. This is what I've tested myself for quite a while and it works really well. So that's what it looks like. You can change the from name down here. And if you want to see what the email looks like, you can click test. I'm going to show you what the actual email looks like. So the title is "We have a free gift for you." And you can see the email comes from whoever you put into the from name inside Review Trust. It says, "Hello, first name, thanks for purchasing product name. We hope you're enjoying it so far. We have an unannounced surprise gift for you called whatever. Please take just a few seconds and rate your purchase." So we ask for them to rate their purchase, and in return we'll give them the gift. And then we include a link here. So when I click the link, watch what happens. It takes them straight to a page here where they can leave the review. And this is modeled directly after Amazon.com's review retrieval process, which has been tested with hundreds of thousands of dollars. So it works very, very well. It says at the top, we have a free gift for you. Take a few seconds, leave a review, and you'll get your gift. So the customer comes down here, and they see step 1. All they have to do is select a star rating. You'll notice as I hover over the stars, the text changes on the right. So let's say they give it a 5-star rating. You'll notice as I do that, more options drop down here. So what we're trying to do is we're not trying to overwhelm the customer immediately, showing them, they have to rate the stars, they have to leave a testimonial here, and you'll see some other options appear as I begin typing. So let's just say this is my review. You can see as I'm typing, the headline appears down here. So this is my headline, whatever. And then I can click Submit Review. And inside Review Trust, if I asked for a user to leave a picture, there'd be a button right here that said Add a Picture, and they could click that and they could upload a picture directly to Review Trust. You can see that step 2 is you can download this for free, and it says it becomes available after step 1 is finished. So after I click Submit Review, it's automatically redirected to a page where it thanks the customer for leaving a review, and it gives them access to the free gift. So they click this, boom, up pops the download for the PDF for the gift. The customer's happy, you're happy, you just got a testimonial, everyone's happy, and it's all 100% automated, super fast. Let me just show you some of the testimonials that have come in. So I just added this the other day. These are some of the testimonials that I've approved for one of our supplements. So this guy said he lost 5 pounds using the product, and this is sent after, I think I had it set after 30 days after they ordered. And then of course it takes 5 days or whatever for them to receive their product. So in 25 days this guy lost 5 pounds. This guy's on his 3rd week, he's lost 7 pounds. They gave it 5-star, 5-star. Less bloating from this person, 4-star. Chris, better overall health, 5-star. She thanks us. This person's lost 4 pounds. And these are all results-oriented testimonials, so that's very beneficial for our company. These are testimonials that we would have never gotten because we wouldn't have followed up manually with these customers. And again, all I did was connect this to our shopping cart. We're automatically getting feedback, testimonials from customers that we can use on our website to increase our sales. And we definitely have used this extensively, and it's put hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars in our pockets. This person actually lost 20 pounds, which was fantastic. So as testimonials come in, you can approve them or you can hide them. So all these I've approved, and when I approve them, they automatically will show up on our website. If I hide them, it's basically like deleting them, so they're not going to show up on your website. So obviously you're going to want to approve the ones that, the more positive reviews, or the ones that, are results oriented, and you might want to hide the ones or remove the ones that might be negative, the ones that might help you actually improve your product. So even the negative testimonials that come in are going to help you really get feedback and improve on your product and make it even better. So let me show you the widgets section here. So basically how this works is you'll come in here and you'll select one of 15 different styles here, which we currently have, and we're adding more all the time. Let me show you what the bottom large one looks like. Click preview. So if you took this code right here and pasted it on your website, or gave it to your programmer or whatever to paste on your website, this little widget down here is going to appear at the bottom of your page. It shows 5-star review, it shows there's 10 reviews, it shows today's date. If I click this, it's going to expand up and I can actually read the testimonial. And I can click left and right to, read more and more testimonials. And obviously these are all verified purchases because these are people that actually bought your product and were imported into Review Trust, so they are verified purchases. Just having the Review Trust seal alone on your site is more than likely going to increase your conversions, and that's without the social proof element added. If you sold anything online, social proof is critical to selling things online and critical to building trust. I mean, it's very foundational. Some of the other widgets we have a medium, just makes the small, really tiny. Then we have other ones like a top left corner one. When you click that, a little light box is going to show up right here in the middle. We also have the side ones, so left widget over here. Click that, it expands out. And then we have the more standard inline testimonial boxes. So you could display the testimonials as blog style comments. You could display the testimonials as social media style. If they uploaded a picture, this is going to be their picture over here. And you can use the Review Trust style testimonial block. And with all these testimonial blocks, you can customize the look of them entirely. So all the colors can be changed here. Let's say I didn't like blue. Let's say my website was, green. So we'll select green there. Changes that to green. Then you can change everything about this to match your exact website. All you do then, once you're happy with how it looks, you just come in here, right click, copy, and paste this on your website, and boom, it appears on your site. And as you approve more testimonials, they're automatically shown on your site. You never have to come back in and copy and paste anything. Once it's set up, it's done, and you're just going to be getting automatic, fresh testimonials to your site over and over and over again. These are testimonials that you can use for anything. You can use them for social proof on your website. You can use them in emails. You can use them in whatever, in your sales videos. So that's basically how Review Trust works, and we use it consistently on all of our products, and we always see a bump in sales. And it takes just a few minutes to set up. There's nothing else out there in the world that does what this does. So hopefully you found this video beneficial, and if you are interested in Review Trust, all you need to do is go to reviewtrust.com/businesses. Scroll to the bottom and you're going to see some pricing options. It's all really, really affordable. I mean, it pays for itself, in our case, in minutes. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Nothing else out there that does anything near what Review Trust can do, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.